Let g of x equals 0 to x ft dt,
Uh-huh.
and this graph is of f of x.
Okay.
Okay. So first part is we have to find out g of 3, g prime of 3, and g double prime of 3. Okay. You have g function is given, g of x is this. If you have to find out g of 3, you can just put x equals 3 in this definition, right?
Mm-hmm.
0 to 3 ft dt.
Okay.
Okay, so can you guess what will be 0 to 3 ft dt?
0 to 3 FTDT would probably be 0 to 0 to 5 FTDT minus 0 to 2 FTDT. Maybe?
But why do you want to do 0 to 5 and then subtract 2 to 3? You can straight away find out. First of all, you need to realize that 0 to 3 ft will be simply the area under the curve of f of x
Yeah.
from 0 to 3, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this point is 0.
Oh, so
And
0 to 2 FTDT plus 2 to 3 FTDT?
yes, we can simply use geometry. So 0 to 2, that's a quarter circle.
Uh-huh, yeah.
And then 3 will be a triangle. Okay, and this point is 1. I mean, the height is 1. Okay, so you
Okay.
just have to find out the area of this quarter circle. You know that its radius of the semicircle is 2. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so we have to do pi r squared by 4 actually. Pi r squared will be area of whole circle, and this is a quarter part. So pi r squared by 4. Radius is 2, so 2 square will be 4 pi divided by 4 plus area of this triangle. So half base times side base is 1, and height is also 1. So 4 and 4 gets cancelled. So we have one more thing is this, since this circle is below the x-axis, so this will be negative. So
Mm-hmm.
minus pi plus 1/2.
Okay.
That will be the value of g of 3. So from here, g prime of x will be just derivative of this. So that will be just f of x. So just f of 3.
Got it.
So we can look at the graph. F of 3 is 1. So that's it.
Okay.
Okay, now g double prime of 3.
That would just be F prime of 3.
F prime of 3, awesome. And f prime of 3 means the slope of the tangent line at 3
Mm-hmm.
at this graph. Okay, so at 3, this is a constant, like this is a linear function. At this point, you can find out the slope. You will get rise over run, you'll get 1, right?
Yes.
Okay, so that's g double prime. Okay, let's see what we have next. Next part is, where is g increasing? G of x increasing.
So if g of x, or if g prime of x equals f of x, that means g of x is increasing when f of x is positive.
Yes, very good. So wherever f of x is positive, g prime of x is equal to f of x, we want that to be positive. So from the graph, we can see that this point is actually -7. Okay, so it's positive from -7 to -5.
Okay.
Then it is also positive from 2 to 5.
Uh-huh.
That's it. Positive means that the graph lies above the x-axis.
Yes.
Okay. Then next part, where g of x is concave up.
That would be when f prime of x is positive. Or No,
Yeah. So G double prime.
means f prime. So when it's concave up, it means the double derivative has to be positive. So f prime of x has to be positive.
Yes.
So
And
that
F
would only be from 0 to 5. Oh, actually 0 to 5 and also -4 to 2.
-4 to 2, but not 0 to 5, 0 to 4, right? Because after 4 it is
Oh,
falling.
sorry, I didn't I didn't see that real quick. Yes, yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay. So from -4 to -2 and 0 to 4. Okay, good. Okay, then where is g of x increasing and concave down?
So increasing means f of x is positive and its
Mhm.
slope is negative. So from 4 to 5. And
So, there will be one more.
at the -7 to -5?
Yes. So it should be
Mm-hmm.
above the x-axis and should be falling down.
Yeah.
-7 to -5 and 4 to 5. Okay. Then you have to tell where g of x has a local maximum.
Where g of x has a local max would be when g prime of x is going from increasing to decreasing. So f of x is going from uh f of x is going from positive to negative.
Yes,
Okay.
exactly.
So that would be from no, at -5.
Yes. At -5, it is changing, f is changing its sign from positive to negative.
Uh-huh.
That will be the point of local maxima.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then wait, C, D, E, F. Okay, where does GX have a point of inflection?
So where it changes concavity. So that would mean g prime g double prime of x, which equals f prime of x, has to
Hmm.
be negative. So it changes concavity at -7.
-7?
Well, no.
No,
No,
no.
no, no, sorry. It changes concavity at
So wherever your G prime will change directions.
g prime will change directions. Oh, so at -4 and then
Hmm.
-2
Right.
and 0,
0.
and that's it. Actually, no, at 4.
4. Yes, then 4.
Yeah.
Okay. These will be the points of inflection for G. Okay, then you have to find the equation of the tangent line to the curve at x equals 4.
Okay. Tangent line to the curve at x equals 4
Mhm.
of g of x.
I think, yes, for g of x.
Okay.
Okay. So in order to write equation of a tangent line, you will need a point. And whenever you have to write the equation of tangent line, it's always better to go with the point slope form. So you need a point. And since you have to write the equation at x equals 4, so your point will be 4 comma g of 4.
Mm-hmm.
That's the point. And then you need the slope of the tangent line. So that will be g prime of 4.
Okay.
And then you can use the point slope form y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So g of 4 will be, you can see it from the graph.
Mm-hmm.
G of 4 will,
Is 2.
no, no, no. You will have to find out the area under the curve.
Oh, sorry. So g of 4 would be. Okay, I understand. So
From,
just the area from 0 to 4? That
yes, 0 to 4.
right. Okay. So then the
This,
radius of the, yeah,
yeah, yeah,
that's
go on.
negative pi
Hmm.
plus 4.
4.
Oh,
This
only till 4. Wait, you're right. Oh, so then 2 times, so only 2. So negative pi plus 2.
negative 5 plus 2. Okay,
Okay.
that will be,
This FRQ has a lot of parts.
yes. Okay, so that is the value of g of 4 minus pi plus 2. This is the graph of g prime of x.
Oh, yes, yes.
So g, we want the value of g prime of 4. So that will be just 2.
Oh,
If this had been, so if you have to find out f prime of 4,
mhm.
that is something which will be not defined. So if you have to write the equation of tangent line to f, then we cannot draw a tangent at x equals 4 and the slope
Okay,
will be not defined. But this is already the graph of g prime. So all these values actually give us, so at 4 we get the slope of tangent at g of 4. So slope of tangent at g of 4 is 2. Now,
okay, okay.
we are trying to write the tangent at g, not g prime. So
Right,
g
right.
prime 4 will be 2. This will be 2. So we can write the equation y minus, y1 is minus pi plus 2 equals m. M is the slope, so that's 2. Then x minus x1 is 4. So you can simplify. You will get y equals 2 times x minus 4 plus minus pi plus 2. That's it. This FRQ is now done.